Hi. So, you know how I posted that video like 2 weeks ago where I showed like my clean makeup routine? Well, I kind of wanted to do the opposite of that and do a full face of makeup because one, I haven't done that in a really long time, and two, I personally don't like seeing myself with a full face of makeup. So if you like this video, subscribe and like and comment, or just not. You can just watch and just hang out. I don't know, like do your makeup maybe. I have my mirror right here beside me, and I have to say, I got rid of a lot of my full face, I got rid of a lot of my full coverage products just simply because I don't really use them anymore. I have to be honest, I hardly ever really go out with a full face of makeup. Sometimes I do, but it's not always. So I'm just gonna start off. Also, I'm sorry if I forget to mention products. I am kind of just filming this on a whim because I felt like doing my makeup. And I was like, why not film it? I am just putting on some lip balm. This is the Summer Fridays lip balm. And to be honest, I don't really see the hype with this. Like, it tastes good. It's very pretty. It's very aesthetically, It's very aesthetically pleasing to look at, but honestly, any lip balm is good. I think I'm gonna use the NYX Honey Do Me Up primer today. I don't really have a oh my god, what is my words today? I don't have a pore filling primer. All right, I'm primed. All of it is on. And the closest thing I have to a full coverage foundation is gonna be the one by Fenty Beauty. Not that full coverage, but it is the most full coverage one that I got. So I'm just gonna kind of put this all over. Feeling kind of playful today. My god, I'm so sorry. I'm very ugly. Also, I should be doing this in better light, but oh my god, I look pasty. This is what happens when you're a born and raised local kid and you move to the mainland for the first time. This is what happens. That's what the base is looking like. I look pasty and ghosty AF. Boo. I'm going in with the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer. Okay, I've seen people like doing like that lifting effect, so I want to try it. Okay. Oof. Oh girl. Just like corners of my eyes. Oh my god, I'm so ugly. Did that do anything? Wait, it kind of did. Whoa. Okay. First of all, it got rid of my under eye circles, which is like, yes, please, thank you. I need that. But then I also just look like, I just look weird. Like, I look really weird. Also, like, what is going on with my eyebrows right now? Like, I couldn't tell you. This is like imagine if I just went out in public like this. I don't even look like myself. Do some cream bronzer. I think I'm gonna go back in with a powder, like powder products, like over the top. Is this helping? Do I look warmer? Do I not look as pasty anymore? I'm gonna do a little bit of cream blush now. Y'all already know, I talked about this. This is the Rare Beauty liquid blush. I want to get a different shade. This one is like a summer shade, but like I need like a spring shade, you know? I'm channeling my inner high school self because this is what I would do when I was bored. Currently saving up so I can get a camera, a nice camera. Base is done. Hold on, what if I just, there. If I face this way, you guys can see it. That's what my base looks like. I want to do some brows. I'm using the ABH Dip Brow. And please like this video if you've fallen victim to overusing the ABH Dip Brow, because girl, I don't know why my parents ever let me go to school looking like that. Like, I had my own James Charles era. Oh my god. I'm a mess. I'm just going in with my Glossier Pot Concealer. I'm going to go in with some powder now. This is the Patrick Star One Size powder. Okay. my god, it looks like I got sunburned. Whose makeup palette should I go into today? I don't have very many good options. I have ABH. Ooh, wait, hold on. I have ABH, Jaclyn Hill, Juvia's Place, and James Charles. I kind of want to do something fun. I kind of want to do something inspired by Miss Cassie in episode 4 of Euphoria, because my homegirl, she was like intense. She was a little intense. I think I'm gonna go into James Charles. Ooh. She is looking, I mean, not bad. For how much I've used this palette, it doesn't look as worn down as you would think. So like, I used to use this like a lot, like a ton. This was the only eyeshadow palette that I've ever used. Nah, but like, you know, like that rose scene where like Cassie was like in the bathroom, there's like all those roses around her. Yeah, that is who I want to channel today. Like, I want to channel that energy. I'm gonna try and take like this light pink one right here. I don't know. See, like even now, like it's just like barely showing up. Like you need to use like a lot of it. See? So there's a deeper pink in here, kind of. It's more so like a red, orangey, it's like a reddish color. You can see me kind of flicking it out. I guess I have no idea, by the way, if this is even gonna turn out the way that I want it to. Can you like see? I have oh my god, this is like already turning out terrible. I'm gonna go in with that hot pink and just follow this outline. Oh my god, that makes it so much more vibrant. I'm leaving it. I'm gonna carve the brows. I'm gonna carve it out. I meant not the brows, the eyes. Ah! No. Okay, this is absolute like concentration right here. I've never done this before, so I think it looks pretty decent just based off of the fact that I've never done this before. So we're gonna go with it. And there's like a lot of like really pinky like shades like right over there, and then there's like a couple. Hello, is anything even there? There she is. There's that pigment. That's what the eyes look like in the light. Black eyeliner? I think so. I'm gonna do something I've never done before, which is a nice looking black eyeliner. I have this one that has like a stamp, but I don't really trust that, so we're not doing that. You know, actually, okay, wait. I do not do black eyeliner. Like, I can't, like physically, I can't. So like me even just doing this, like the wing is kind of shit, but it's not as bad as it should be. I look like, oh, I look stupid. Like I look really stupid right now. But you know what? We're not gonna pay attention to that. We're not gonna, no. I'm just using these lashes I got at Marshall's. Honestly, those lashes are pretty fire. Okay. Eyelashes are on, and you probably can't even tell, so that's okay. I'm using this bronzer. This is by Honolulu, which I've never heard of this brand before. I got it sent in a, I'm gonna do a little heavy on the blush because it is a pink look, and we want to counter it, you know. Cheeks, very pink. Do you like that? That doesn't look too bad. Oh, also that was a Bare Minerals blush, and then I'm going in with my Champagne Pop. Don't really like this lip liner, but I'm just gonna line the lips a little bit too. And then I'll just, whoa. Ew. Okay. I I think I might be done. Let's take a look in the light. Lip color, definitely not it. Is this good? Is this a serve? Yes or no? The wings could be fixed. And so is like this little concealer part, but other than that, it's cute. I mean, this is what I look like with a full face on. But anyways, thank you for sitting through and watching this video. I hope you got ready. I hope you got ready as well, because I know I'm not the only one that does stuff like this, but I want to make it more normal. I feel like beauty gurus is like whatever they do, it looks good. I am not like that. I mess up like a lot, hence the face. But anyways, that's all for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you soon. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I love you. Bye.